So machine learning is a branch of AI that allows computers to learn patterns from data and most importantly, like without being explicitly programmed, just by itself. Basically, we can say that AI means being smart and machine learning means learning to be smart. And finally, deep learning means learning deeply, like how our brain does, right? So it's very important to understand the difference between these three, but I want to let you know that in this course, we'll only focus and cover machine learning concepts. One of the last sections, I will talk about deep learning and I will give you the basic idea. But if you want to learn about deep learning more advanced, I'm thinking about to have a different course for it. Maybe by the time you watch this video, I will already have it done, but no promise. Alright, let's move on. Generally, machine learning has three types, which are supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement. I mean, there are also other types like semi-supervised or self-supervised, maybe generative AI. But remember, we are going from simple to advanced. I'll talk about these three in next video and we will practice them in the future with different models.